Hello everyone, and welcome to Slow Spoken English.
I'm Diana.
And I'm Richard. Today, we're going shopping at a supermarket, which is something most people have to do. We want to provide you with some typical examples of what to say in English when you need to buy groceries.
This time, we need to buy some food for dinner, and Richard has promised to follow the shopping list.
I said I would try to follow it.
That is not quite the same thing.
During the conversation, we'll ask you 5 comprehension questions.
Listen carefully and try to answer before we discuss each one.
And as always, please subscribe to Slow Spoken English for more weekly, natural conversations.
All right, do you have the shopping list?
Of course.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's on my phone.
Good. Let's begin. What do we need first?
Vegetables. We need tomatoes, carrots, and an onion.
The tomatoes are over here. How many should we get?
Maybe 6.
6? We're only cooking for 2 people, though.
We could make a lot of sauce.
4 tomatoes should be enough.
All right, these ones look fresh.
Those tomatoes are cheaper.
They are, but they don't look as good.
I agree. Let's get the fresh ones.
And here's a bag of carrots.
Good. Don't forget the onion.
I wasn't going to forget it.
You forgot the shopping list before we left home last time.
That was only once.
It was yesterday.
Let's focus on the vegetables.
Fair enough.
Comprehension question 1. Which vegetables do we need to buy?
We need tomatoes, carrots, and an onion.
And how many tomatoes did we choose?
4 because 6 was too many.
I still think 6 was reasonable.
For your imaginary restaurant, perhaps.
What's next on the list?
Rice and pasta.
They're in aisle 5.
You sound very confident.
I know this supermarket well.
You mainly know where they keep the biscuits.
That is also useful information.
Here's the rice. Should we buy the small bag or the large bag?
The large bag is better value.
Yes, and rice lasts a long time.
So, the large bag?
Agreed.
The pasta is on special. 2 packets for $4.
We only need 1 packet.
But 2 packets are cheaper.
Only if we eventually eat both of them.
Of course we will.
You said that about the giant bag of lentils in your kitchen.
The lentils are waiting for the right moment.
They've been waiting for 6 months.
They're very patient.
Fine. Put 2 packets of pasta in the trolley.
Comprehension question 2.
Why did we choose the large bag of rice? Because it was better value, and rice can be stored for a long time.
And how many packets of pasta did we buy?
2 packets because they were on special.
A very sensible decision.
We'll see.
Can we get some biscuits?
Are biscuits on the list?
No, but they're beside the pasta. It feels like a sign.
That is not how shopping lists work.
1 packet?
1 small packet.
Excellent.
You agreed very quickly.
I didn't want you to change your mind.
At least you're honest.
What else do we need?
Milk and bread.
The dairy section is over here.
The milk we usually buy isn't on the shelf.
It looks like it's sold out.
We can get this one instead.
It's a little more expensive.
That's all right. Let's check the use-by date.
It's good until next Thursday.
Perfect. Put it in the trolley.
Comprehension question 3. Why did we choose a different kind of milk?
Because the milk we usually buy was sold out.
Was the other milk cheaper?
No, it was a little more expensive.
But we needed milk.
Exactly.
Now we need bread.
The bakery section is near the checkout.
Here it is. White bread or wholemeal bread?
Wholemeal, please.
Very healthy.
We have biscuits in the trolley.
It's important to have balance.
That is a creative definition of balance.
Do we need anything else?
Let me check the list.
You don't trust me to check it?
I trust you. I also know you become distracted near the snack aisle.
Both things can be true.
We have everything.
Comprehension question 4. What kind of bread did Diana choose?
I chose wholemeal bread.
And where was the bakery section?
It was near the checkout,
Convenient.
especially when someone is eager to leave before buying more snacks.
That sounds very specific.
It is.
That checkout over there has a shorter queue.
Good. Did you bring a reusable bag?
I thought you brought the bags.
I did. I brought 2.
I knew you would.
That is not the same as remembering them yourself.
Teamwork, Diana.
Interesting use of the word teamwork, Richard.
The total is $32.40,
That's not too bad.
especially because we bought 2 bags of pasta.
And your extremely necessary biscuits.
They may be the most important item.
They are definitely the least important item.
Comprehension question 5. How much did the shopping cost?
It cost $32.40.
Who remembered the reusable bags?
I did.
And who remembered the biscuits?
Unfortunately, you did.
Everyone contributed something.
Now let's review 6 useful expressions from the conversation.
A shopping list is a list of the things you need to buy.
If something is better value, you receive more for the money you spend.
If an item is on special, it is being sold at a lower price than usual.
Sold out means there are none left to buy.
The use-by date tells you when food should be used.
And a shorter queue means fewer people are waiting in line.
Now it's time for our weekly speaking challenge.
Pause the video after each question and answer in a complete sentence.
Question 1. What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Question 2. Do you normally use a shopping list?
Question 3. How do you choose between 2 similar products?
Question 4. What could you do to spend less money on groceries?
Thanks for listening and practicing with us this week. We hope we amused you with our shopping style.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Slow Spoken English for more natural conversations.
Until next time, cheers everyone.
Goodbye.